Crack Sealer Color Tape is a self-adhesive repair tape designed for joints in bridges, underpasses, and concrete protection. It features excellent adhesion and crack resistance. Best of all, no heat, tools, or complicated equipment needed. What makes Crack Sealer Color Tape unique? Fast and easy to apply. Roads can reopen immediately after installation. Self-bonding surface ensures strong adhesion. It's 100% waterproof, preventing any moisture from seeping in. Compatible with all road surfaces, either asphalt or concrete. Resistant to temperature changes, cracks, and vibration. Superior skid resistance for better safety. Enhanced visibility with multiple color options. How does it work? Top layer, anti-wear and skid-resistant colored coating. Middle layer, elastic polymer base for waterproofing and bonding, protecting the surface and extending pavement life. Bottom layer, release film for clean transport and easy installation. Even on rainy nights or in low light conditions, glass beads coated on the surface reflect car headlights, making the tape visible and safe to drive over. Where can Crack Sealer Color Tape be used? For repairing alligator cracks and surface splits on roads. In slippery areas like school zones, playgrounds, and parking lots. To protect construction joints in concrete and asphalt pavements. And to seal edge lines after pavement repairs. How is it applied? Prepare the Crack Sealer Color Tape and remove the release liner. Apply the band directly to the surface. Open to traffic. Check out how Crack Sealer Color Tape is used in an actual installation. Wherever you need high visibility and anti-slip safety, Crack Sealer Color Tape isn't just an option, it's a necessity.